Today we're going to be doing... What are we doing?
My backup.
We're going to be doing showing... Chase is going to video me riding on a bike as fast as I can. Right, Chase?
I'll think about.
I guess. Well, this is the road I'll be driving on. It's actually an alley. I'm gonna drive to that red fence down there near that house where the cars are.
And there's my G2.
And I'll be driving on my mountain bike all the way to that red fence. And he's gonna see how long it takes me. So here's it is.
How am I supposed to know?
Now go up close.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I might die. I might die from this horrible, horrible view. I might die from this horrible bike rider. The horrible bike rider. Drive on this side so I'll get it up close, this side. Get over here, young lady. Get over. Get over here.
I'm gonna drive down to the brown house down there.
Okay, all the way down there to that brown house. And here goes nothing. Okay, this horrible bike rider might kill herself from this ride. Whee! I'm following her! Oh gosh. Guys, I might die from this horrible run. Okay, now we're walking. Oh, hey, buddy! Hi, tractor trailer. How come you look so up close? Oh, because he is up close! Oh my gosh! Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Hey, horrible bike rider! It looks like you made it.
All right, now Chase is next.
Oh, come on!
When we get back, he's
Yeah.
gonna ride his regular bike.
When we get back on the next episode of Chloe. Oh, you want to see? Okay, Chloe, hold this so they can see my sign.
Sign us out today, so peace out. Bye. See you on the next episode.